So far we are learning general formulas. Okay, general formulas, how it really helpful in real time as a data analyst, both in Tableau and Power BI, anywhere, and also see what is the behavior of measure to get required values. We have to use the override function, override concept. So in order to change the existing behavior of the context filter by using different filter function along with the defined filters. Similarly, we are if you want to get the total values as required, we are using we're ignoring required columns, okay, by using the all function. All function. If you don't want all the columns value, just put it, just simply put table. If you don't want single or two columns, you have to mention the specific column names here. Now let me explain another more scenario and the more scenario. So we have a total profits across each and every year market, but client want to see selected profits contribution. Let's say a client selected Africa and APEC. So selected. So what is the grand total for this? What is the total for this? The combination of 88,000 plus 436, right? 436 change. So let me do it in here. So I'm selected market as a Africa and APEC. Okay, Africa. So what is the total? This is the total. So same total has to be reflected here also as a grand total. Okay, grand total. But what we are seeing here is the total profits of the markets. So I'm just dragging the total profits. You're seeing here, this is the total profit. Okay. So this is the total profit. This is same as this. But what is the total profit here? These markets were selected. So this is the total profit. Okay. But my expectation is this selected profits total has to be reflected here. Why this is not coming? Because all function will not reacted for the filters. Okay, so if you apply the market, so it won't reacted for the all. So all won't react if you're using any column in the R. Okay, all. So if you're applying this filter, it will not disturb. Okay, it will not disturb. It's not reacted. Okay, filters will not reacted if you are using all function. So I want the selected profits here. So I want the 524 has to be reflected here. So you might ask, is there any function for that kind of scenario? Yes, we have all selected. So what it does is it, it is same as all, but it will respond. It will respond for the filters. Is respond with filters we are applying. Okay. What are the filters we are applying? What is the syntax for this? Same as the all. So all selected. It takes table or column names 1, 2, etc. So let me create a measure here. So what it is I want a filtered profits. Filtered required profits. So required profits. Okay. So I'm using total profits. I'm using calculated. Okay, total profits. So what I want is what it takes either table name or column name. Currently, what filter we are applying? The market filter. So all selected. So what it takes table name or column name. So what filter we are applying? Market filter. So I'm just mentioning the market. Let's see the magic. Now we are seeing our expected 524 value. Once we are dragging here the filter profit. Now see the magic 524. What grand total profits we are getting? It is all the market's profits. So we are if you want unfiltered values, we are using all function. If you want filtered values, total values, we have to use all selected function. Now you can easily percentage of filtered selected totals. Okay. Filtered totals or selected values. Selected profits. Okay. So what is the formula for that? What is the formula for that? Same as percentage of total. Okay. Percentage of total. What is the percentage of total formula? Current value by total required value. So we have the total profits. Okay, current is the current value. Current value is the total profit. So we are using total profits is the current value is denominator. What is the denominator? Total required value. Total required value is we are getting here, right? Filtered profits. Okay, that is the denominator. So using this filtered profits. Now we can see the percentage. Now we can see the percentage of selected total. Now we're getting the decimal. So if you want to change this, what we have to do? We have to click on the percentage. We're getting 16, total 100%. So 83% is contributing from the APEC and 16.93 is contributing Africa. Okay. So what are the filters you apply in distributing amount that 100%? Okay. So this is my expectation. So what is the conclusion for this? Or if you want filtered, if you want unfiltered total, use all function. If you want filtered total, you have to use all selected. Yeah. I hope you understand all the functions so far. If you really like it, please subscribe. Don't forget to comment your opinion and what kind of videos you want required in the future. Please comment on it. Thank you.